Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few things to do if you cannot find a Bluetooth accessory on the POCO X5. So, at the start you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. In the most devices you have to enable a pair mode. How to do it you will find in the manual instruction or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button. Sometimes you have to hold the button for a few seconds, for example. You will find it in the manual. So, if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not for your phone, you can start from the simplest way. Just go to the top menu and hold the finger on the Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again. After that, go to the additional settings, check your Bluetooth block list that you have any devices, and you can enable this feature, show Bluetooth devices with your name. Then look for your accessory. After that, you can try to restart your phone by holding the power button. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth accessory. Okay, so that was the simplest way. Now it's time for a little bit more complicated. So, go to the settings, choose connection and sharing, and slide down to the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it and click reset settings. Enable by OK button, then look for your device again on the list. After that, you can also try to update your phone. To do it, just open the About phone, tap on this big button, and check that you have any update. If you have, download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which one not. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.